So there's this cave near the Dead Sea, and get this, the world's oldest glue was found there, over 8,000 years old. Imagine some ancient inventor, probably with wild hair and a bone necklace, squinting at tree sap and thinking, maybe this'll stick my broken pot back together. Fast forward to today, and I can literally walk into a store and pick from 100 different kinds of tape and glue. Super strong, super quick, waterproof, even glow in the dark. If you can dream it, it probably exists. But all this choice brings up one big question. What actually makes glue and tape sticky? And which is stronger? Let's start with glue. Most glues are liquids that seep into the tiny cracks and pores of whatever you're sticking together. As the glue dries, it hardens and locks everything in place, kind of like pouring concrete into a mold. Some glues, like superglue, go a step further. They form chemical bonds, a bit like a molecular handshake, fusing two surfaces into one. That's why prying apart your fingers after a superglue mishap feels impossible. Tape, on the other hand, works differently. Peel a piece off the roll, and you can feel that instant grip. That's all thanks to a layer of pressure-sensitive adhesive, basically a sticky goo that never fully dries out. When you press tape onto something, the adhesive flows a little, squishes into the tiny bumps and grooves, and clings on with what scientists call van der Waals forces. Yep, the same forces that help geckos climb walls. So which one's stronger, glue or tape? Well, it depends. Glue usually wins for permanent fixes, like repairing a broken mug or building furniture, because it forms deeper, stronger bonds. Tape is the champion for temporary jobs or when you need to peel things off without making a mess. That's why you'll see glue holding together airplanes, while tape holds up your favorite poster. But here's the cool part. Scientists are still learning from nature. Mussels use sticky proteins to hang onto rocks in crashing ocean waves. Spiders spin silk that's stronger, pound for pound, than steel. Engineers study these natural glues to invent even better adhesives for the future. So next time you're wrestling with a stubborn sticker, or marveling as tape fixes something for the 50th time, remember? You're sticking with a tradition that goes back thousands of years. The world of adhesives is a lot stickier and a lot more fascinating than it looks. Thanks for watching.